And mind you, when you're saying Igbo is difficult, somebody is learning English. You are beautiful. You see how long it is? And you that is learning Igbo, you're just learning 5-letter words, and you say it's difficult. How is it difficult? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl, igboticnono. Please, if you're new to this channel, please do well by subscribing on this channel, clicking on the red button there to subscribe, and also the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Guys, please, if you clicked on this video, it's not by mistake, it's divine, okay? And because it's divine, what do? You obey the message of God. You click on the subscribe button. The subscription is free, it costs you nothing, guys. Seriously, just support me. That is what gets me going, aside the fact that I enjoy what I'm doing, right? I keep saying that. Okay guys, without further ado, let's dive into the video of today. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys I'm going to be showing you guys various ways of saying goodbye in Igbo language. Okay, just get your pepper, sit down with your drink and relax while we dive into this video. Okay, so this is expression in Igbo, ways to say goodbye in Igbo language. Expression. You know what is expression? The way you express yourself, the way you talk to someone, the way you say out things, the way you express yourself. Expression, the way you say goodbye in Igbo language. Okay, that is the video of today. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. When you wake up from your bed, you go to your mom's room, or you go to your dad's room, or you go to your auntie's room, or even when you meet them on the hallway, when you meet them on the passage in your house, what do you say? Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. Okay, they'll be so proud of you. Ka ọbọ, may morning come. Ka ọbọ, may morning come. Ka ọbọ, may morning come. Ekele, greetings. Ekele, greetings. Ekele, greetings. Ka ọ dị, goodbye. Ka ọ dị, goodbye. Ka ọ dị, goodbye. Imaka, you are beautiful. You know, this expression is so lovely. This is a very good compliment. Please don't ever you hold your compliments. Always try to compliment people, because you don't know if it's that your compliment that is going to take away their depression for the day. You don't even know what they're about to do. If they're about to, you know, get take suicide or something like that, if they're about to suicide themselves. So try to be very kind with one another. And this one is just a very good compliment to I think everybody loves this compliment, be you male or female. But you know, the male, they use it all the time. We don't even know when they're serious again, because they tell everybody Emaka. Please don't mind me, we use it often. Emaka, you are beautiful. Emaka, you are beautiful. And this is so easy to pronounce. Emaka, you are beautiful. Emaka, you are beautiful. You can see the meaning in English, the long thing they wrote, you are beautiful. But in Igbo, barely 6-letter words, Emaka, explains this long story that the English translated it to you are beautiful. And mind you, when you're saying Igbo is difficult, somebody is learning English. You are beautiful. You see how long it is? And you that is learning Igbo, you're just learning 5-letter words, and you say it's difficult. How is it difficult? Somebody is learning English as well. What do you say about that? Imaka, you are beautiful. La nudo, ga nudo, go in peace. La nudo, ga nudo, go in peace. I usually prefer to say go in peace. Ga nudo. La nudo usually sounds to me like when you go for a burial ceremony and they're saying go in peace. They usually say la nudo. I don't know why they usually use la nudo or something like that, but that's the impression I have. Maybe on my head, maybe in my head, I don't know, but it basically means the same thing. La nudo, ga nudo means go in peace. La nudo, ga nudo means go in peace. Kambapo yoso. Kambapo yoso. Kambapo ya also. Let me run along. You come to your friend's house, right? Maybe you just dropped by or you're passing by and you decided to just, say hi to the person, and after you're done with your hi to the person, next thing, kambapo yoso. Let me run along. Let me run along. Kambapo yoso. Kambapo yoso. Let me run along. Kamfu, let me disappear. This comes more often like a slang in Igbo. I don't know if you have seen my video. You can go down in my section, my video section. You will see a video I did, slangs in Igbo language. I might leave the link. I might leave the picture here so for you to see the video. I might leave it in the first comment in my comment section for you to see the video where I mention slangs in Igbo language that we often use, and they are funny and interesting and sweet. So this is like one that sounds like it. Kamfu, let me disappear. You're just there in your friend's house. Kamfu, let me disappear. Kamfu, let me disappear. It's a slang, and whoever you use it for will be very very proud of you and like, oh yeah, what you saying? That kind of thing. Where did you learn it from? Stuff like that. So it's a very cool Igbo word to use. Kachifo, good night. Kachifo, good night. Kachifo, good night. Kachifo, good night. Anyị ga-ahụ, we will see later. Anyị ga-ahụ, we will see later. Anyị ga-ahụ, we will see later. Gano, go well. Gano, go well. Gano, go well. Lagbo or nagbo means go or arrive safely. Go or arrive safely. Lagbo, gabo. Lagbo, nagbo means arrive or go safely. Lagbo, nagbo. You can use any of them. That's why I did slash like or lagbo, arrive safely. Gabo, go safely. When somebody is traveling, you took the person to the airport, or you took the person to the park where the person will board the bus to destination, or the person is driving right from the compound you are living with, you say labo. Go safely. Deji, Deji, goodbye. Deji, goodbye. Deji, goodbye. Ijeoma, safe trip. This is also a name in Igbo language. Ijeoma. Ijeoma, safe. Ijeoma, safe trip. Ijeoma, safe trip. Udo, peace. Udo, peace. Udo, peace. Kamcho uzo ola. Kamchowa uzo ola. Let me get ready to go. Kamchowa uzo ola. Let me get ready to go. Kamchowa uzo ola. Let me get ready to go. Ngwanu, alright then. Ngwanu, alright then. Let me get ready to go. Ngwanu, alright then. Alam, I'm going. Alam, I'm going. Alam, I'm going. Ndo, sorry. Ndo, sorry. Ndo, sorry. Obiali jenwe una. The sojourner has to go home at some point. This is like also a slang in Igbo. Obiali jenwe una. The sojourner the sojourner has to go home at some point. Obiaru ije nwe una. It's the slang in Igbo. Obiaru ije nwe una. Obiaru ije nwe una. The sojourner at some point has to go home. You understand? Maybe I give an example. You came to your friend's house, or you came to visit your auntie, and you want to go. You want to run along. You want to run along. You know, you can just say, auntie, Obiaru ije nwe una. The sojourner at some point has to go home. Ka ọ dị ka anyị afọrọ. Let it be like we did not see. It's also a slang in Igbo, and it's also an expression on its own. Ka ọ dị ka anyị afọrọ. Let it be like we didn't see. Ka ọ dị ka anyị afọrọ. Let it be like we didn't see. Ka mụ lawa or ka mụ naba. They basically mean the same thing. It's just dialects. They are just the same thing. Kamu laba or kamu naba means let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. This video has taken even longer than I planned. That's because I was trying to say the words very slowly and for you to understand what I'm saying with the explanations that came alongside with it. Thank you if you have watched to this point and you're not subscribed to my channel. It's not fair. You have to subscribe. Remember, subscription is free. Yes, it is free, and to like this video is free as well, and to share it as well is free. I would love you to do all this because it shows your support. Please put down in this comment section what other translation you want to understand, and which of them did you learn today, and which of them were you or are you familiar with. Yes, I also appreciate you give me in the comment section the videos you want to also see from me, and also tell me in the comment section, aside teaching, would you love to see other kind of video from me? Please put that in the comment section as well, because I want to take permission from you guys before I do that. So put that in the comment section as well. Though I feel adding another video in between aside teaching is going to make this family or this channel very welcoming and very relaxing, so that not every time I post a video you will think I have come with teaching and you might be you're not in the mood to learn. So let me know if there are other kind of videos you want to see from me. I'll be here reading comments and replying. Thank you so much for all your support, my OG, the returning subscribers, those that keep watching my video anytime I post. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you for watching. My new subscribers, welcome. Thank you very much for finding me worthy for subscribing to this channel. I appreciate it so much. Let's take this video to 100,000 subscribers, and no, let's take this video to 100,000 views and 2,000 subscribers. I don't know what in manifestation prophecy. That's what I'm laying on this video I'm doing right now, and I hope it goes well. I know it's going to go well because I'm going to refer back to this point, this end of this video I did, to refer back to it at some point when I want to do video, to say I said it on this day and I didn't know it was going to be manifested. Thank you very much, and do have a lovely day. Bye.